What is the warranty of a Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80? It's actually very similar to all the models that are computerized or have a screen. So let's just go over some of the basics. Number one, you'll want to go to husqvarnaviking.com/register-machine, and you can do all of this online. You don't even have to send it in. So you'll need your serial number, and that is actually on the underneath side of the machine, and then you'll be able to get kind of pretty much an account set up for anything that you might need. But your local Husqvarna Viking retailer is the one who will take care of all this. So if you're unsure, they'll know what is covered and what is not. So on the back, it'll go into full detail, but pretty much here's how it breaks down. 20 years on anything of the machine that was not intended to break. So manufacturer warranty on parts that are normally not in heavy use. So just anything that they deem like, whoops, that was supposed to be not made that way. Your dealer will know. 5 years on circuit boards. Let's talk about circuit boards for a second. You do need to plug this machine into a surge protector, or better yet, a battery backup. Do not plug this machine into the wall of your home, into a wall outlet. That is just asking for trouble. Once a circuit board goes, they are replaceable. They will replace them for up to 5 years, but it's more the headache of you not having your machine. So make sure that you take care of the machine. If anything happens in the first 5 years, they're going to take care of it. 1 year, labor and parts warranty. So if anything happens in that first year that shouldn't, again, your store will know which is going to be. Now, things that are not covered. There's going to be things like if you're sewing along and you bust your needle and it hits your bobbin case and then it nicks your bobbin case and your new bobbin case, that's on you. If you pull down your needle threader and you don't have your needle high enough and it doesn't line up and you break it, then that is again on you. So there's just some basic things you got to keep in mind. This is meant to be used, so there is parts that if you break them, that is not covered under warranty. But if it wasn't supposed to break in the first place, just by normal use, that's when your warranty will cover it. So like I said, if there's ever any questions, ask your dealer, and then also Husqvarna Viking will have answers for you as well. Otherwise, have it serviced on a regular basis. You definitely want to have it. We recommend to our customers every year, have it clean top to bottom. Take in the embroidery unit as well, especially if you embroider, and then that way it stays nice and tuned up as well. But we will be going through all the things you need to do for cleaning this machine. I said cleaning, not oiling, but cleaning down underneath the throat plate. It's very easy for you and I to do that, and it makes the machine run so much smoother. So any questions on that? It does go through all the details of what's covered and what's not on the back side.